Thank you, first of all, UB Talks and Innovators Club for inviting me here today. So, my journey starts from 10th standard, and I belong to a very small town called Khambat, where there are very top test resources available for competitive exams like JEE and full set. So, uh, I started my study when coaching in 10th standard and ended up uh, only carry 3 percentage, which was very disappointing for me. Then, like without any thought, I do PCI because I was interested in mathematics. I at 11 at twin standard, I took the course of Unacademy JE and studied from there. I was bunking my lectures in school, and my principal called me my mother at 82 school. I told that your daughter is going to fail it with exam, and like I thought that I was consistent because I was knowing my efforts will give me proper results. So, it was science for the very first time. I scored a first rank in my school and highest marks in mathematics all over the center. And I after that also the journey was full of ups and downs. I was seeking for the rank of ACPC Work 382. So I'll be easy getting any further engineering, but because that I got Vishwakarma Custom Branch 8 first and second round. And after much struggles, I got LDIT in third round. So yes, after coming here also, like I was finding that no one is talking about skills and definitely coding culture as it is in IREs and ITs and the body ICTs. So like I was finding that some of the faculties were teaching nice and some were okay. I'll not do. So I was not coming to college at all. I started attending lectures from sixth semester. And till now, I have attended very less 5 to 10 lectures, I guess. So, in first year, I even know about Amazon Future Engineer Scholarship and apply for it. I was one of the 500 scholars selected from 8,000 plus applications all over the India. And I did from Cornet scholarship to Amazon. And I got it. I got the 50,000 scholarship per year, that is 2 lakh over the tenure of 4 years, plus a laptop, and the most interesting 10-month DSA mentorship. So it was very amazing. The Amazon, the engineers were teaching us DSA and CS for diabetes. Then in comes the second year, that is last year in January, I appeared for the OA and interviews. So I learned there a lot. I interacted with a lot of IDC alumni who are Amazon senior managers and some of the country had, some our country had and everything. So I learned a lot. I was there in Amazon pricing key. So our team does what it dynamically set the Amazon product prices according to the competitor analysis demanded at the thing. I worked at Amazon in Java, Spring Boot, the backend stack. And fortunately, I was the only one intern from my team who got another return offer from Amazon. That is, I got another offer, TPI, Christmas internship. And Amazon is calling me to do internship again this year. So, one of the LC alumni, Varun Shah, who is senior manager at Seattle in Amazon, came to our college in IT department. So I called him, and he also donated some amount to our college. So, yes, it is. And I would say that communication skills matter a lot because in my team there were 5 randoms. One was a precise standard from IIT Kharagpur. He was CBSE AIR 1, but he does not got the offer, but I got it. Because like आपने गुजराती में कहेવાય ને કે પાટલામાં ઉતરતા આવડવી જોઈએ. Same thing that not like the people here are willing that you interact, you to show that you're curious and for a deep dive in the project, everything you have to balance. I enjoyed that a lot. We were a group of 40 girls from IT and ITs and everything. there were three girls from Gujarat other than me. Like one was from PDO, one was from GC Gaminagar, and one was from Charusat University. We all went there and we had a lot of fun. There were many events too. And yeah, it was a wonderful experience. Then comes like, on 30th June, I flew back to Ahmedabad. And from 1st July, I was having my distant mathematics speaker of 4th semester. I haven't learned anything because the induction was so crucial and I couldn't do. So I learned everything in one night, and yeah, I ended up getting PC grade at least in the app. That was the part that I got a call from Bhuve that Dhruvi, your resume is matching our software engineering veteran requirements. And I was like, it's Google, right? So no chance I'll get the offer, but let's try. Uh, so I gave the Google interviews parallelly to the fourth semester exams. Plus, I haven't prepared or practiced the DSA since 2 months because the internship work is so crucial. You cannot do anything. And yeah, so after giving the interviews only, I prepared DSA somewhat. Uh, the Google interviews were handy, but in the first interview, I got the interviewer. She was very rude. As soon as she came to know about it, I already interned at Amazon in my second year, which is very rare. She asked me a very hard UB question in the last 5 minutes. And yeah, I could a rock and solved it at least to the memorization. Then comes the part that after first interview, I was not expecting the call. But on the second day, I got a call that you are selected for the second interview. And the second interview was after 3 to 4 days. So I prepared hardly the started DSSG, bought quickly the approaches of the graph list. And that comes the day. The interviewer was like a 2023 pass out from IIT Delhi. And he was quite cool. He guided me a lot. And then he asked me two hard level graph questions. I saw that in 30 minutes only, and 15 minutes we discussed about Google, my experience in the previous internship and everything. I was quite impressed, and after 3 days, I got a call from the recruiter that today you have to send me your mark sheets till the third semester. I said to her, and she was like, "Okay, I'll tell you the final result tomorrow." I was waiting for the call and I was chatting with the previous we intern selected a LinkedIn that what is it, why they are asking for mark sheets and everything. At this, I was not having a backlog. That's why it was possible. And on the next day at 2 p.m., the recruiter called me. My mom was beside me. I put the call on speaker and then she said that, "Do we guess what will be the result? Will you get an internship?" Then I said, it was experience interview with Google and I didn't expect anything, but it was a beautiful experience. And she said, yes, you got the offer. And finally, after getting offer at Google, my mindset was like a card of chill. Like I have two offers in my hand. So, like, keep a break on TS and start doing depth. So up in October, I guess, I got offered from Google in September. And in October, I appeared for Microsoft interviews. Then the Microsoft interviewer was a 17-year experienced principal software engineering manager at Microsoft. He was expecting a lot from me. I I ended up solving a problem, but I thought that due to my overconfidence, I didn't get offered there. Yeah, so it was it. And in November, I got to know that I will not be getting a 6 month internship at Amazon, but I have been offered 2 months internship, which is clashing my Google internship too. So now I have to leave Amazon or to both if our college allows. So it's a critical thing for me. But I will suggest all the first year, second year students who are from IT, EC, computer, if you are interested in coding, at least the first year and second year students do DSA a lot. Development is like in our college, many startup comes who look for development skills rather than DSA. So I will say that if you are planning to get a job, if you want to land a job at MNC because the stipends and everything is very cool, the compensation is very cool. You cannot even imagine that. So I would suggest go for DSA first. Do DSA. There are many resources like Style Readers and DSA. If you're a first year student, first pick a language. If you want to go with C++ or with Java. If you want to, I would suggest you should go for Java because at the beginner level, Java is preferred. And if you will be interested in backend development later, then you will be easily learning Spring Boot and really this related text to Java. This is it. For first year student, you should start doing Apna College DSA playlist, which is completely in Java. And as you go deep, you in the second year students, you should do Striver A to Z DA session, which is very helpful to me as well. And all the questions I got in the interview were mostly related or a optimal version of what I did previous. So start from now. Like me also, you'll get a buzz and I hope you will confuse between multiple offers. You get multiple offers. Yeah, so it is about me, about my journey and upcoming software engineering intern at Google. Also got an offer from Amazon, and it is about me. For development, I would suggest that in career, you should explore all the fields like machine learning, data science, backend development, front end development, and find in which you are interested. So my motive for today was to come here and tell you about that the first and second year student have important DSA because I see that even third year students currently in my courses in my department are starting DSA, which is like for placement preparation, like we already do. But uh, to do the pre-preparation is always better. Reach out to recruiters on LinkedIn, have a LinkedIn profile. I bet the community of 23,000 followers on LinkedIn, and it's a great interaction and to communicate the performance. I also have a YouTube channel called Creative World. You can check out the Amazon intern blog there. I have made multiple. So this is about me, and I hope you get some of the inputs and motivation today from me. Thank you, Yubi Talks and Quinovillas Love for inviting